Hey guys, Winter Tracks here. Guess I just wanted to let you know that in this video we're going to be going over to a buddy of mine. We're on the way right now. We're going to go ahead and take a look at an old Ford Mustang he has that hasn't been started in 6 months. It's got the 5.0, should have some good exhaust notes for us to listen to if we can go ahead and get it running. And then we got an old skidoo sled that he's got out there that needs a couple little things, so we'll be chatting around that thing while we're working on that. Other than that, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Oh, it's got a brand new caliper on it. Ooh, and looks brand new. The fuck? It's sliding.
It's over there. It's the snow sliding off.
Oh. Lights over here.
No lights. See, look, it reflects. You reflect down. Big hole in the roof.
Oh yeah, another thing I need for this is to build a plate for that freaking exhaust. Remember how it touches the tunnel?
Man, you should just take the whole exhaust off. See how loud it'd be. Just straight pipe it. Carter's like, I have ideas.
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 Yeah. Alright, where did I set all the shit? That goes. Aye!
Hey.
Aye! Get to the chopper!
Light! God damn it.
God,
I slowly fell over. I actually didn't mean to do that.
I hope that actually showed up. Also, I'd like to add that I know somebody's going to watch this, and they're going to be like, you didn't do it right. And all I'm going to say is, well, no shit.
Yeah, I'm a redneck. I do shit the hard way.
Yeah, it's not bolted in with the right bolts.
No.
We're using the wrong cord, even though
It's,
that's the better of the cord that we have. It's not ran through the thing. It doesn't have a proper anything.
Those are off a 96 Dodge front end.
Oh, yeah. That's
The bolts?
Actuator. Yep. And then,
96 Dodge actuator bolts. Rotax motor parts, no.
All right. Let's see if she'll cheech up. Please don't break.
Oh, she almost went.
Yeah.
Do you want me to feather the throttle when you start it?
Nope. just pump the piss out of it.
Oh. Ooh. Come on. Oh. She lives.
Starting up the old dirty Mustang.
So tires good and flat yet? That one's a little low, I think.
Oh yeah, that's
That one's definitely flat.
It was premium the last time I was in there. Anyway.
Yeah, that one's got air in it, but I think she's low.
yeah,
That one's good
probably
yet.
coulda just-
Not in the snowbank or anything. I mean, not too bad anyway. She's good.
Not yet.
Oh, nope, she's still dead. Good and dead.
Almost.
Almost.
Everything connected tight over there? Black to red and red to black like usual.
Red to black? Yep.
Oh. She lives! Attempt 3, she lives. That's it. Yeah, right to red light. That's a good spot for it.
Catch up right when you started that
Didn't even check the oil. We don't need to.
What is that?
You don't need it.
What's the oil?
What is oil? Never heard of it. You mean the
Ford, it doesn't run.
you mean that's where the 710 cap is, right? Give it a little bit. Yeah, she sounds good.
Give her one more.
Oh, she does. She sounds so freaking good. There's the man, the myth, the legend that owns this beast. We can look look down through here and see that there's not a lick of snow underneath it. And we got about 2 foot plus on the outside of it.